Hi everyone, so welcome to another tutorial with me. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to use a perspective crop tool. I've never used it before until now. I just needed to take a photo of my family to put in our clock. But as you can see, it comes up with the light reflections in the background, which isn't that great. So using the perspective crop tool, it's just up here on the toolbar, as you can see over there. There is a slight issue with this, which I'll show you at the end. Well, you'll see it once we've used it. Okay, so I've taken a photo from the side, a kind of an angle, so you can't see the reflection of the light. So I'm just going to click around the box, just like so. Okay, and then you can go in once you've done that and just fine tune it a bit. It's not going to be perfect here because I've done it at a slight angle on my sofa, which probably isn't the best place to do it. And just moving it around like that. Okay, so Control and 0 to zoom out, and when you're ready you just hit the enter key and Photoshop does its magic. There we go. So as you can see, it's done a fairly good job here. It's mixed all the pixels together to kind of make it straight for you, which is good. But the downside, it looks a bit squished. That to me, it's not a problem. It still looks like a good photo. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share and like. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.